Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do some complicated questions for algebraic fractions. If you remember the concepts from the previous video, we touched some basic level. Even though the entire concept is going to be the same, the question might look slightly different. So if you look at the first question, it says, write as a single fraction in the simplest form. So as we've done previously, we're going to make the denominators equal for all three fractions. For the first fraction, the denominator is x minus 3. For the second, it's x plus 7. And for the third, it's 2. In order for us to solve fractions with unlike denominators, it is very important that we make the denominators equal first. So in order to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to first write the question. And okay, so since in the first fraction, the denominator is x minus 3, and what it's missing is x plus 7 and 2. So using a different color, I'm going to multiply x plus 7 and 2 to the first fraction. And we will do that with both the numerator and the denominator. Similarly, for the second fraction, what's missing in the denominator is x minus 3 and 2. So we're going to multiply x minus 3 and 2 with both the numerator and denominator. And with the last fraction, what's missing is both x minus 3 and x plus 7. That's what we're going to multiply with both the numerator and denominator. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to expand the brackets. In the first fraction, we can first combine 2 and 5. So 2 times 5, 10 times x plus 7 over 2 times x minus 3 times x plus 7 plus 6 times x minus 3 over 3 times x minus 3 x plus 7 and plus x minus 3 times x plus 7 over 2 times x minus 3 times x plus 7. One thing I would like to point out over here is that there is no fixed order of writing the terms when you're multiplying them. For example, we could have also written x plus 7 first and then 2 and then x minus 3, or like written x minus 3 first, then 2x plus 7 and so on. So the order in which I've written these terms that are being multiplied, there's no fixed order. You can write it either way. So once we've done this step, next step is to rewrite this fraction with a single denominator. So what we're going to do is, the single denominator is 2 times x minus 3 times x plus 7. And in the numerators, we can just expand the brackets, which we have done previously as well. As you remember, we multiply the term outside the brackets with the term inside the bracket. In this case, you will multiply each term with 7. Yeah. So basically, 10 10x plus 70 plus 6x minus 80 plus x squared plus 7x minus 3x and minus 21. Next, what we do is we combine the like terms. For combining the like terms, we've done this before as well. What we do is like terms are those which have the same variable, and that variable needs to be raised to the same degree of power. For example, 10x, 6x, 7x, negative 3x, all these four terms are like terms. Similarly, 70, negative 18, negative 21. These are like terms. X squared, there's no other x squared term in this equation, so x squared just remains as it is. We don't combine it with any other term. So x squared, 10x plus 6x is 16x. 7x minus 6 is 4x, so 16x plus 4x is 20x. And negative 18 minus 21 would be negative 39. And 70 minus 39 would be 31. Divided by 2 times x minus 3 times x plus 7. And that is your simplified form of this sum of 3 different fractions. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.